Hey there, it's Muiz, and today we are going to look at how you can use our WordPress plugin. So first of all, let's head over to WordPress and we're gonna install our plugin, and let's just search ActiveCalculator here, install it and activate it. Next, when you'll go to either post, page or any content type, you can use one of our WordPress Active Calculator blocks. So let me just add that block, and then it will ask you for a calculator ID. So let me tell you how you can find one. So if I want to embed this ROI calculator, I'll just go in ROI calculator, and here in the URL you'll be able to find this calculator ID. So this is the calculator ID, and I'll just paste it up here and hit save, and then let's just publish it, and let's just view our. Here you go. That's how you embed calculators on WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.